side of the staple again. Your orange rope. There you go. Pull it on the other side of the staple. See how it's wrapped around it there? Pull it on to your side of the staple.
Wait, I get that. But
yeah, there you go. There you go.
Sitting on it and bouncing on it. Well, Casper.
Yeah, you did great.
I have to say that he's on our side.
Come on, Casper.
Grab your orange rope for me one more time. There you go.
Why?
That's great. Good job, Casper.
Doing great, Casper. Yeah.
That response, the wax sound.
There you go. You can do it. Grab one of this,
Yeah, climb up one more, Casper, and then you can step out onto the rope. Good job. Now go ahead and grab a hold of that white rope that's on the tree there. You want to come down already? You sure?
Yeah.
All right, I need you to step out onto the wire, though, so you can take a step away from the tree. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna have you sit. Back, okay?
Oh, you have a video?
come on, Casper.
Yeah, Casper.
Sit back. Let go.
Look at her.
There you go.
Look at her.
Good job.
She's
How's
really
the view?
so bad. Yeah, Casper.
Yeah, you made it to the top, Casper.
Good job. Very good. Almost there. Catch your feet. There we are.
Yeah, Casper.